Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for your business. Canva is an incredibly versatile online design platform, perfect for entrepreneurs and small businesses. It empowers you to create stunning visual content without needing extensive design skills. With its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, you can produce professional quality marketing materials, social media posts, and presentations in just minutes. It's a game changer for enhancing your brand's visual presence. Maintaining a consistent brand identity is crucial for business recognition. Canva's Brand Kit feature allows you to upload your logos, define your brand colors, and add custom fonts. This ensures every design you create aligns perfectly with your brand guidelines. You can also save branded templates, making it simple for anyone on your team to produce on-brand content quickly and efficiently, reinforcing your professional image. Canva is an invaluable tool for designing a wide array of marketing materials. You can effortlessly create captivating social media posts, professional presentations, and informative flyers. It also allows you to design impressive infographics, business cards, and even short promotional videos. With thousands of customizable templates, you can quickly adapt designs to suit your specific campaign needs, saving you time and resources while boosting your marketing efforts. Canva offers robust features for team collaboration, allowing multiple users to work on designs simultaneously. The Content Planner helps you schedule social media posts directly from Canva, streamlining your workflow. With Magic Switch, you can instantly resize any design to fit various platforms, saving significant time. Plus, access to millions of premium stock photos, videos, and advanced editing tools further enhances your creative capabilities, making team projects more efficient.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.